Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Clark. Today is the day. It's our assessment day. We are going to take our very first math test today, and we are going to do that using a Google form. So your Google form will be in your Google Classroom, and you will see it under math tests. So I wanted to show you guys what your math test is going to look like. So this is the Google form, and you can see that it says Everyday Math Unit 1 Assessment Test. You'll probably see your email in there when you get signed in, and you don't need to do anything with that. Okay, each question has its own page, and you have to complete the question before you can move on to the next one. We have about 9 problems, but some of the problems have more than one question that you have to answer. So for the first one, it says count by ones, fill in the missing numbers. Well, you know that you can't write on this. So what you're going to have to do is probably get out a piece of paper, or you can use a whiteboard, and you can write out the numbers how they are supposed to be on the paper. So if you are counting by ones, write it out on your paper or write it out on your whiteboard, and then choose the answer that you have on your board. So A would be these numbers here, B would be these numbers here, C would be these numbers here, or A, B, or C. So look at your answers on your paper or your whiteboard and pick the one that matches yours. Then click Next. Oh, what happened? I did not pick an answer. I have to pick an answer to be able to go on to the next problem. So let's just say that, I don't know, maybe it's this one. I pick an answer and go to the next one. Okay, then you will see the next question. How much money? It says number 2. If you have 3 dimes, how much cents do you have? All of your choices are down here, okay? All of your choices are down there. So you have to pick an answer before you click Next. All right, boys and girls, I've pulled up my teacher view so that you can actually see what it's going to look like. Again, like I said, you have to pick an answer before you can click on the word Next. So you will answer lots of questions, and remember, you have to pick an answer before you get to go to the next one. This one is going to be a short answer question. So when you get to this one, it says, explain how you knew where to write the number. Right here where it says short answer text, I want you to type in there how you knew the answer to that question. It can just be a sentence, maybe 2 sentences at the most. All right. Then here, when you get to this question, I want to only know the number that goes in the blue circle. Again, I want to know what the number is that only goes in the red circle. And then at the end, you have a couple of pages that have more than one question. So if you look at number 7, here are all of the problems that you are going to be answering. And I wrote the question, which number sentence is true? So you're going to read all 3 of these number sentences. 17 is equal to 7, and you decide, is that the true one or not true? 17 is greater than 7, true or not true? 17 is less than 7, true or not true? You pick the answer, and then you scroll down to the next question. Which number sentence is true? 25 cents is greater than 1/4. 25 cents is less than 1/4, or 25 cents is equal to 1/4. So you have to tell me which one of these sentences are true. This one has a D, D, N, P, and P. a Q, and an N. Those are coins. I wasn't able to circle those coins, those letters, like I normally do. So you have to use your piece of paper or your whiteboard and figure out how much money is on the left side and how much money is on the right side. And then you have to tell me which symbol you would use. All right. Then the next one, you have a question about a game that we played called Fishing for 10. So I want to know what card Beth should fish for. She has a 5 in her hand already, and she's trying to make 10. So what card should she have in her hand, or what card should she be asking for? So read the sentences here at the bottom and choose your best answer. Okay, here is a picture of some squares, and I want to know, are those odd or even? Here's another picture, odd or even. And then when you get to the odd or even part B question, that will be the end of your quiz. And then you hit the word submit. When you hit the word submit, you will turn it into your teacher, and then she will get your grade right away. So make sure that you do a really good job. I believe in you. We've been working really hard on math these several weeks, and I know you can do it. All right, boys and girls, see you later. Good luck.